Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a small haul of some items that I picked up online. I'm going to be sharing a BooHoo haul, and then I have a Juicy Couture item and a Five Below item, and I do have a Coach unboxing. Not sure if I'll do that in this video. I don't want this video to run too long, but if you're interested in this video then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so as I shared for my Coach haul, I'll go ahead and start with that and get that out the way. It's in this package right here, or my Coach unboxing reveal. I saw online where they had these packing cubes. Now I have some pink packing cubes that I currently use when I travel, but I saw these and it said that they were leather and nylon, so naturally I was curious on what these would be. And since we travel a lot and my traveling is really picking back up, I wanted some more cubes. The ones that I have are pretty okay, but I can tell from the use that they are starting to wear, and so I wanted to get some that's a little bit sturdier than the ones that I have. And these are the packing cubes right here. This is a nylon or a mesh material. This was stated as being leather on the bottom, this trim. And then on the back it has like these little patches, travel patches. Usually people would put these like travel stickers on like luggage and different things like that. So it has like the little New York patches. So I wanted to get this because like I said before, my pink one is wearing. And so I felt like this one would be a little bit more sturdier. What I do like is that it does have a capacity to have some flexibility to it. You can see you can squish that there. So just opening this up, the other cubes are nestled inside. And again, go Coach, because Coach knows what we love. We love packaging and stuffing. This was in here like this. So this is the larger size for the cube. Just take out that paper. And there it has that continued nylon pattern on the inside. Very nice size, generous cube. I noticed that usually when you buy them in a pack, they'll come with 3. So my other one has 3. So I'm happy to have these. I can interchange them and use them together. Opening up the second size. And that smaller packing cube is nestled in there. And this is something that my husband can use as well. Comes with that paper. There you go. You see that size. And the smaller cutie of the bunch. This would be good for like underwear, bras, socks, ties, maybe if you're a man, toiletries if you want to put toiletries in here, bathing suits, bikini, lingerie. I'm just naming off some items. There you go. See the size of that. Okay. Alright, so this is what I picked up. Not a review, just wanted to show you quickly these little cases, and I'll have to come back and do a review on these at a later date, but this is the first item. Alright you guys, so the next item that I picked up is this pink pouch. This is a Juicy Couture pouch. I picked this up from my local Ross. I got this for 10 bucks. It was $9.99. And instantly when I saw this pink, I knew I had to get it. It's a pink pouch. I'm obsessed with pink. I bought this because, as I shared before, my other toiletry pouches, they are kind of wearing. But what I noticed is that when I'm coming back from my trips. I really don't have any pouches where I can put like my clothes that I have worn or my underwear, where I can separate my underwear out from my clean ones. And usually I'll grab like those bags that they put in the closets of the hotel rooms that's for like the cleaners. I'll usually grab those, or I'll have to take like extra bags to put my things in. And so I wanted to pick up something a little bit cuter to use in my luggage, and I thought that this would be really cute. I think this could be used as a makeup pouch as well for someone who is able to find one of these. It's just stuff. And I kind of rigged this a little bit. This is my little iPod holder. I stuck that in there. I'll show you why. Oh. Well, you guys, this came with something in it. Look, it has a little travel bottle. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, so that's all that's in there. It looks like it was a travel set and someone took out the rest of these bottles. I don't know. I just see the one in here. But here's the pouch empty, and like I shared before, I did stick my earbuds in here. The reason I did that is because there's a little small hole in here on this end, and I put this little D-ring on here, and I was hoping I could somehow use this as like a little wristlet if I should need to. In case I take this out of town with me and I want to use this as a little travel bag, I'm going to attach, well, this is kind of big as a wristlet, but in my mind, I was hoping I could attach a strap to this end and then use the zipper. The zipper has a nice little charm on the end where you can loop something through and attach on this end. And I have this little pearl wristlet that I show in almost every video. This does fit on here. So if I wanted to wear this as like a wristlet, I could. I could attach it to that end as well, but I was looking to try to use it as like a crossbody. So that's what I have attached that other end for. Okay. Sorry that's so bright there, but there we go. Attaching a little wristlet to it. Carry this as a little wristlet if I should want to. So just showing some flexibility in this pouch. I bought it for, you know, underwear, different things like that, but just showing you how versatile this is. And let me show you the spacing in there. It's really huge. Very cute. Very nice size. Love, love, love this pink. So this is a little Juicy Couture pouch that I purchased. And yesterday I was watching Miss Toya's video. Hey, Miss Toya. And she showed this, you guys, on her video. And she said that these were at Five Below. Let me see if I can get this to show. Let me see if that shows. Okay. It's like a little coin pouch, like a little Starbucks coffee cup, a little coffee cup with a smile on it on the front and back, and it's trimmed in pink. And so she showed this on her channel yesterday, and I was like, oh, that's super cute. Let me go get me one. So I ran over to Five and Below, or Five Below, however you say it, and bought this. So it was $4.50. So a little cute little novelty item to either sit on my shelf or put in my bags or let my daughter have it, because I'm sure she'll find this in my office and decide she wants to take it from me and play with it. So picked up this. And last items that I picked up, I'm going to show this one first. It's a dupe. Let me show you this item. This is a bucket bag. I got this from BooHoo. I purchased 3 items from BooHoo. I have been looking to buy some items from their website. So this is one of the items that I picked up. This was $18. And I would say it's kind of meant to mimic like the damier or bean pattern, but this has more of a yellow hue to it in person. So you can kind of see how that color looks on camera. It has that brown hue to it. For me in person, it has more of a, like a really, I guess it kind of matches what you see on camera there. And this is black. It's faux leather, so it's not like real leather or anything like that. Has nice spacing. It's a cute little, small little bag. It comes with a strap. So has a top handle and it comes with a strap so you can wear it, I guess, as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody bag. So I thought that this would be a fun little dupe to just pick up. I do have an affinity for bucket bags, and so I have a couple of Louis Vuitton bucket bags actually. So I was debating if I wanted to get another Louis Vuitton bucket bag in the Damier Ebene and or in the Damier Azur, but I'm just not sure how worth it having that many bucket bags from Louis Vuitton is. If I can just kind of get something to satisfy or just kind of fill in when I would like to use it. Not really sure. So, but just pick this up so I can just, I don't know. It was just 18 bucks, so. But I got this. Alright, you guys. So my next item that I picked up from BooHoo, I'm not going to even try it on. It's in this bag right here. I do not like how this, I got this like this. And you can see how this is supposed to be a 3-piece set. It's a cardigan, leggings, and like a little tank top. But you see how this is just thrown in here? Like, it's just thrown in here. Like someone tried it on and just threw it inside the bag. When I opened this out of the package, I instantly knew I was going to return this. So I don't want this. So this is the third item that I have. I will put a picture up on the screen of what this was supposed to look like and why I picked this. So I'm just going to show you like a picture of what this is supposed to look like. Alright. And last item for this video is this set right here. I bought this little camo color type of sweater short set. Now I know it's kind of unusual to buy like shorts or like a sweater outfit for the summer, but what I've noticed in my house in the summertime, my husband likes to turn the AC up so high that I'm walking around freezing. So I wanted to get something where I could still be a little comfortable and warm in the house. This is like a knitted type of sweater. Okay. And it has this like open neckline so it can slouch on your shoulder. And then the shoulders, or the sleeve, it gathers here. You can see that. When I buy my shirts, I prefer to buy them to make sure that the wrist has this type of gathering. And then for the waist, you can kind of see how that is done at the waist. It gathers really nicely. And so it's a really nice large type of sweater. I got this in a size 12-14. So this is a size 12-14. So this is meant to give a lot of space and room. And these are the shorts that come with it. Now when I first saw these shorts, I thought, oh my goodness, these are quite long, because they do look long. But once I put them on and my butt fills out the shorts, the legs do come up. And I'll show you, how this looks on my body frame. So for reference, I am 5'3", and I'll show you how this looks when I try this on, okay? Alright, you guys, so that is my haul that I have. A little bit different kind of haul where I have clothing items and some little novelty items. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you all who have subscribed recently. I really appreciate you all subscribing. I hope you all have a good rest of the day or time whenever you're watching this video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.